The Vox IP phone system supports two types of transfers from your desktop phone. You can do a blind transfer and an announced transfer. The difference between the two is only one thing. During a blind transfer, you're going to answer the call, press your transfer button, dial the extension, and hit transfer again, and that blindly sends it to that destination. An announced transfer is the same thing. You answer the call, you hit transfer, dial the extension, except you wait then for the other party to pick up, announce who the calling party is, and then hit transfer one more time to complete that call. So however you want to transfer the calls is up to you. So here's a demonstration of how to do that. So once again, we have no active calls. Our phones have no lights. We'll see a call come in. It'll start ringing. We answer that call. Okay, you need to be transferred to Mr. Smith. You'd press transfer, dial his extension, and either wait to announce it or hit transfer one more time to complete it. And you see that the first line was put on hold so you could privately speak to the receiving transfer. And that's how we make call transfers on the Vox IP phone system.